Hello and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a Scout 275 Dorado. This is a 2018 boat that served as a demo boat for us for our Women on Water classes. This means that the engines are just broken in. They have approximately 65 hours on them. The boat comes equipped with a bow swim ladder and an electric windlass. Up forward, plenty of seating. The seat and fabric in this boat is plush, probably one of the most comfortable boats I've sat in. Handrails, deep cockpit. There is a bow table up here, aside from the windlass and the bow anchor. As we move back through the boat to the helm, the electronics installation is a GPS, Garmin GPS actually, with a 10-inch screen. There's also a Fusion stereo. The only option here I would suggest adding would be a VHF radio. On the port side of the boat is a large head and has inlaid teak sole. It has a telescoping wand that comes out of the sink, so you can take a shower down there if you want. So it's a great day boat to go out and entertain your friends. You can use this in transition to going ashore at night. As we move aft through the boat, there's a refrigerator, large cooler. There's plenty of room for seating back aft, and again, the fabric that Scout uses in the cushioning is bar none. There is also a table that can be set in the middle of the deck. For the fishermen, it has a 23-gallon live bait well. For the water skier, there's a ski pylon back in the middle of the boat, which is powered by twin 200 Mercury Dorado 4-stroke motors. This boat is available at MarineMax of Westbrook, 627 Boston Post Road. Our phone number is 860-399-5581. Please give us a call or stop by and talk to any of our knowledgeable staff about this great boat set for sale at a wonderful price. Thanks for watching.